Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Guys, today I am sharing a huge haul. I went to a couple of different thrift stores, the dollar store, a crafty yard sale, and I did hit the last tail end of the Hobby Lobby clearance as well as Temu. I also have some friend mail, so let's jump right in. The first thing is this thank you card from Misty over at Mystical Misty. I will link her channel down below. She sent me a thank you for joining in her challenge, and she sent me these beautiful yellow flowered stickers. Thank you so much for that, Misty. I enjoyed entering your challenge. My husband and I were out riding about an hour north of where we live, and I came across this brand new thrift store that was opening that day, and it was, I think, from the Kiwanis Club. They had all of the kids' books on sale for 25 cents each. I did pick up the Mickey's Christmas Carol, the golden book, and also the Velveteen Rabbit. So cute. This is Stories of the Night, and you know, I did pick these up to turn them into junk journals. These are really nice hardcover. This one, I love the width of the spine. This is going to make a really good cover. And then we have this one, a nice big one. And then we have this one, and I got this one because of the nice cover as well. So that was $1.25 for all of these books. That was a great score. I did stop at the Dollar Tree. I needed paper plates. I try not to go into the Dollar Tree because I leave with a bunch of stuff that I don't need, so I really try to avoid it. But I did need paper plates, which is why I went in. I found these pom-pom makers, which I do not have these, and I had been looking for them, but my dollar store never picked them up. So I did scoop these up, and I am definitely going to give these a try because when I was organizing my craft room, I found a big bin of like yarn stuff. And I was like, oh, now I can try and make some pom-poms with them. So I picked up that. These 4th of July, these are the table scatters. These are chipboard. They are really great quality. Actually, I'm going to take them out of this. Oh, I didn't realize that they were actually different. These are very cool. These are going to make like great card fronts from the size. I love those. They're going to go in my 4th of July box. I also picked these up. These are some of the color your own wood stickers. This is perfect for the summer vibe swap that myself as well as Sharon over at From Cheap to Chic, I will also list her channel down below, are hosting our 2nd annual summer vibe swap. So I picked these up to decorate some of my tags with. From Temu, I picked up a couple of more beads. We have these ones. These are some really nice darker colors. There was 50 in the bag and they were 35 cents. I picked up these smiley faces. There was 100 in there. I love that these are colored so you can match them to the theme of what you're sending out your happy mail for. And there was 100 of those and those were only 26 cents. Those are super cute. I picked up some of these fine line highlighters. Did swatch them. They're very pretty, nice and soft, and they were only 49 cents. I picked up these plastic organizers. They were $1.97. On Temu, they showed to house your electronic cords. They come in this gray case. This is way nicer than I thought it was going to be. Let me zoom out a little bit. And let me just get a quick size here. So it's about 7.5 by 4 by 2.5. That's a really good size for $1.97. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. I'm going to use this in my craft room. I'm just not sure what I will use it for yet. When I first looked at it, I thought, I think I could use this for my stickers. I'll show you which ones. A while back, I hauled a ton of these stickers that I found at Goodwill. They've been in the packages and I wanted to keep it this way so I could see this. Find that I'm not using them because these are a pain to get into. I'm contemplating opening all the packages and just putting them in organizers. I'm not sure. It's a really tough decision. Don't want to regret doing it. Anyways, this was a great deal. I'm really happy with this purchase. And next is my Hobby Lobby clearance. This was part of the clearance that was going on about a week and a half ago. I stopped at one more that was on the way home from my work, and I did pick up a couple of more ribbons, even though I said I was not going to. I like this style because you can put a ribbon in the middle of it, and it's white. Let's see, that was $1.24. More pom-pom ribbon. I picked up the green and the white. That was only 87 cents. And then I picked up this purple one that has little pom-poms there, and this was 74 cents. These heart beads were 99 cents. I picked up another one of these flat back fruits for $1.49, and this one had these super cute sunshines for $1.12. They are so stinking cute. They had these, I think these were from the wedding section. Yes, the his and hers. They are super cute little tulle flowers. I thought these would be so fun to pull apart and use in my packages. They were 49 cents each. Super cute. This one did have some stickers, so I picked up this Mermaid Daydreams for $1.24. It has some cute shiny images in there. Some graduation caps, those were $1.12. These lemons, I could not resist. These were 62 cents. I picked up these cute ones. These were 87 cents. These dog ones were also 87 cents. I've seen a few people haul these and I didn't see them at any of the other ones that I went to. These were only 74 cents. They're so cute. And then these adorable little peaches. They're so fun. Adorable, and those were only 74 cents. And that is it for Hobby Lobby. I probably won't be going back until everybody posts again the next time they have clearance. Okay, then I did go over to Goodwill. Okay, so from Goodwill, I had a 20% off. So this was $1.49 plus 20% off. This is removable adhesive clear laminate. It is a giant roll. It's graph. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to try and cover some of my desk mats and see how that works. I thought for that price, it's definitely worth it to give it a try. It has a whole bunch of things that you could like laminate, and it says that it's removable. So I'm very interested to see if I can get this to work out. And I found these Making Memory flowers. These are from 2010. The package had been yellowed, but I did pop it open and there are still some green ones. These are like a fabric. I just thought they were so pretty. So I picked those up. They were 99 cents. And then I found this greeting card box organizer, which is perfect. Okay, so we have all of the labels. And then make your own. These are some heavy duty, they're almost like a plastic dividers. There's a whole bunch of those. And then we have the bins. And I'm gonna go ahead and open these and take a look to see what it looks like. And this was $4.49. I thought this would be a great way to organize my cards. All right, that is a really heavy-duty design. I'm really liking it. I thought it was going to go this way to fit the cards, which I feel like would have fit more because who has cards that are that long? But I will make it work, I think. Let me see the dimensions. So it is 10.5 by 7 3/4, and it's 6 inches high. So it will work, and I am going to set it up. This is what I'm using right now for my cards. It's one of the photo boxes. So it would have made more sense for the cards to fit. Like, here's one of my cards. It would have fit perfectly if the dividers were this way. Maybe I could cut these. Let me see. I might do that. I might cut these because this is the largest size cards, the 5x7s, and it fits in there perfect. So I mean, this is about the same size as my photo box. And they do slide down. I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to cut these and around the corners and have my box lay in this direction. Because otherwise, I don't know. To me, this is just wasting a lot of space. That's like 2 or 3 inches. So I do love this box. It's heavy duty. It has a cover. Mine is missing the cover over the years. It's definitely a nice quality, especially the price was $4.49. I think I am going to trim these down and just make it work for me. I am happy with this purchase. It is a decent, nice quality box. Plus, if I put it out for display, it will look a lot nicer than my current box. Okay, that we're gonna move to the side. And then I went to Savers and I got a whole bunch of goodies there. Savers does 50% off on Mondays. I did go there on my way home from work on Monday. The first thing is for $4.49, so it was half off, is this bag. And I think most of it is embossing folders, but you know, we have to dig in. Oh wow, these are some really nice ones. We have the violet, the green, this is white, red, the pink. We have liquid platinum. That's a Ranger one. We have black. And then we have these ones. I do believe that these are embossing powders. This is how they used to come in sets, but I will definitely try it out to make sure that it's not glitter. This was a great score for $2.25. I mean, these things are expensive nowadays. Okay, let's move these to the side. I picked this up. It's from Totally Tiffany. It's one of her 4x6 file organizers. It can be used for 4x6 photos, but I bought it to organize possibly my ephemera, some of my journaling cards. This was $1.25, so I did not want to leave this behind. I will definitely find a use for this in my craft room. Let's see. So I picked up this 12x12 white cardstock. This Stampin' Up. This is the color Certainly Celery, 12x12. This is the Miss Elizabeth's white. In the bundle also had some sheet protectors. All of that was $4.99, so it was $2.50. I don't need sheet protectors. I have a video, which I will link above, of me organizing my sheet protectors, and I said I was not going to buy any more. They were in a bundle and I couldn't separate them. I primarily bought it for papers for $2.50. Cannot beat that price. They are awesome. And then I picked up this kit, which had two of these. This is the Oriental Trading Papers. It's 12x12. This is the Lovey Dovey collection. I've never had any of the Oriental Trading paper, but let me tell you, the quality of this paper is unbelievable. It's super thick, it's real nice, and it's double-sided. That's awesome. And both of these packages have never been opened. I love that there is solid colors, so when you're crafting, you have everything you need to make the project, especially when you're layering or making cards like I do. And then you can also make a matching envelope. Then of course, these colors can be used for any project. Super cute. I love this so much. That's a really nice, does it say how many is in here? 16 pieces. I got two of those and they were $3.99, so $2, which makes it out $1 a kit. That's unbelievable. Such a fun deal. I love thrifting. The next is my crafty yard sale. Someone had posted on the neighborhood app they were having a yard sale and they just listed crafts. When I got there, it was primarily like wood crafts, like that people paint, but she did have a couple of paper ones. I was able to pick up all of this, not including the bin. It was $3. Let me show you what I picked up. There was a giant bag of this polka dot ribbon. It was crazy. So what I did was I did cut out some of the ribbon holders and I just wound the ribbon so that it wasn't crazy. These measured 6 feet of ribbon and I think only like 2 were cut. We have all of these colors. I tried to color code them as best that I could. So pretty. I used a Kleenex tissue box for my little backing. After I did this, I realized that this is definitely not how I want to store my ribbon in the future. I planned on someday cutting a bunch of these ribbon holders out and unwinding all of my ribbon. After sticking myself so many times here in all of my fingers with these stupid needles, I thought, no, this is not for me. I don't want to go through my drawer and get stuck every time I do. It hurt my fingers pushing these needles through. I'm going to have to come up with a different plan. I bought a piece of furniture to fit these. And now I'm thinking I may actually get rid of that piece of furniture because I'm not going to do it this way. It's just not how I want to do it. So with that being said, anyway, and you know how much ribbon I've acquired recently and I have a giant stash. So I'm going to have to figure something out. All of this amazing ribbon in beautiful colors. I can't wait, like lemon lime, Halloween. It's just every color under the sun. This was included with all these other items for $3. I picked up this giant pineapple ribbon, and I bought this for the summer vibe swap that Sharon and I are hosting. I hope to wrap some of the packages up in this beautiful pineapple ribbon. I love the checkered background. It's so awesome. A lot of ribbon there. This great bag full of these adorable bows. They are so stinking cute. Already made, and how fun are those gonna look on these pineapples? Perfect. They're so cute. That alone, already made, is worth the $3. Love it. Then we have some 6x6 papers. This one is the shiny, which I'm not really a fan of the shiny, so I will probably be re-gifting this to someone. And then we have this pack, which is really nice paper. This is the garden one. I think this was from Temu, maybe. This is a much better quality. Really pretty papers. And these will just go in my 6x6 paper stash. These package of foam hearts. I think these were originally from the dollar store. Put these in my Valentine's Day. And then this bag, which has a set of these clear stickers. I love clear stickers because it doesn't have the edges, the white edges. So pretty. These larger sheets, a couple of them are used, but that is perfectly fine. These are so nice. I love the size of these. These will look beautiful on my dewdrop packages. Happy with all of these beautiful stickers. A great yard sale score for $3. Guys, that is it. That is my huge haul. Oh, guys, I don't know where I'm going to fit all of this stuff. I just cannot resist a good deal. Who else has this problem? I have stuff everywhere, in my hallway, in my bedroom, in my car. My craft room is overloaded, and I just can't help it. I just cannot help but buy all these amazing supplies. And I've been crafting because summer's here in Arizona, so I'm trapped in my craft room, but I'm having so much fun. Also, guys, I have been super organizing all of my supplies. I will be having a bunch of videos coming out, organizing my brads, my glues, my beads, so much to share. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.